Nooks Cooks is done, I quit. Okay, I'm not quitting, but things are going to have to change. Rewind a little bit, over a year ago, I'd been thinking about taking all my family's recipes and recipes that I wanted to learn and memorialize them into video. I just didn't have the time, working full-time, and just couldn't do it. Then I was invited last October to the White House's Filipino American History Month celebration, and I was surrounded by all these super impressive people from a bunch of different industries and walks of life. And I was wondering to myself, and I had imposter syndrome, what could I say that I've contributed if I was privileged enough to return to an event like this in a year? I quickly thought about the project that I'd been thinking about, and that was that. Just a thought, again. Literally a week after I returned from Washington, D.C., I was laid off from my job. And instead of being sad, I thought, whoa, I have all this time to pursue this project that I've been wanting to do, and I got to work. So for the past nearly year, I've been posting a video or two every week, give or take a little bit, and it's taken a lot of time, and I've been really proud of the work that I've done. But the sad part comes is, or bittersweet at least, is I got a new job, and in order to maintain the cadence and the quality that I provided on these videos, it's just not possible. So in the near term, Nooks Cooks is going to come to a pause, and I will try my best to figure out with my new schedule how I can continue these videos going forward. So bear with me. If you have any ideas on how I can pivot or what types of content you'd like to see going forward, just let me know. And until then, peace.